When you run electricity through a wire, it heats up. This is a 10-watt aquarium heater. It has a bunch of wires spooled around in here, and when you put electricity through it, it just heats up. And if it heats up too much, it will actually explode just like our wire did. So if it's in an aquarium, it actually disperses the heat just by sending it out into the water it's surrounded by. This tiny little fan barely uses any electricity, so it doesn't even register as 1 watt. So this is also dispersing the heat. It's blowing it off of the heating element so that the heating element doesn't get too hot and explode. So it doesn't matter if you're dispersing the heat radiantly or blowing air across it, this is still taking up 10 watts of electricity and it's producing the same amount of heat, it's just being dispersed differently. So this radiant heater is basically the same thing as this, just 100 times bigger. It's using wires and electricity to heat up the oil that's inside of it, and then it's dispersing into the room like that, just like this thing. This is a fan-forced heater. It's using the same amount of electricity as this is, but it's using a fan to blow the heat out into the room. These two heaters use the same amount of electricity. They just disperse the heat differently. So really every space heater creates heat the same way. They all pass electricity through wires that heat up. It's how they disperse the heat that is different. It doesn't matter if you're heating up ceramic or heating up oil or just blowing a fan across a heating element. They all use the same exact amount of electricity and they all produce the same exact amount of heat. They just disperse that heat differently. So if you pass electricity through a wire, it heats up.